All right, so we got the FTN5 22 suppressor right here, Form 1 on a TX22, no FRT yet. Got some AR500 targets set up just over there. About 7 16-round mags through it so far. Everything is good. It does get a little gassy inside of it. For some reason it keeps doing that in the last round. So you can hit that gong that's hidden in there. Oh, I missed it. Another last round. See, it's a little gassy inside. You start seeing smoke bellow out from the slide. But overall, everything's still good. It's a little hot, not bad. After 3 rounds, pretty quick. You can hold it for about a couple seconds before it starts burning your hand. But this PA6 carbon fiber, and it is annealed. I annealed it for 10 hours at 70 degrees Celsius, but nothing's soft. Everything is good. Get yourself one. Form 1, free.